Hey guys, this is Dan with Gears and Gadgets. Thanks for tuning in. So today's video is going to be super quick. I've been running dash cams in my vehicles for a couple years now, and about 2 years ago, I was driving through Buffalo, New York, my hometown, and I had a sheet of ice fly off a tractor trailer and smash my truck. I was rolling a GoPro at the time. I'll link it at the end of this video. You can check it out. So since then, I've just always thought, well, it's pretty good practice to run dash cams. Today, I was rolling that dash cam, and I thought it was pretty funny. I was going through Tempe, Arizona here, and I saw a motorcycle cop just shoot straight across the road and go and yell at a lady for being on her cell phone and then just drive off. So that was pretty funny. I'll share that here. If this is your first time tuning in, please hit that subscribe button down below. Remember, likes go a long way to help support the channel. And I'll have a better video for you coming up next week. So see you next time.